Hi everyone, my name is Boris and today I'm going to show you how to save any web page as a PDF with clickable links and selectable text. First, install the extension using the link in the description, follow the link to the extensions page in Google Chrome and click Edit to Chrome. After installation, pin the extension to your toolbar as shown in this guide. Now you can open any website and save the page as a PDF. There are several convenient save options. You can save the full page, save it in a clean article view, or select and save just a specific element. You can also remove unwanted elements like add banners. Let's save the full page. Once the page is converted to PDF, you can save it to your computer, print it, or share it with your friends. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.